Expanding your vocabulary, the flashcards approach. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to focus on an interesting and powerful tool for learning English: flashcards. Particularly, we'll explore how you can use them to learn antonyms, which are a great way to expand your vocabulary. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into using flashcards, it's important to have a solid grasp of what antonyms are. In English, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Think of pairs like hot and cold, fast and slow, or beautiful and ugly. Not only can understanding antonyms improve your vocabulary, but it can also enhance your comprehension and expression in English. Now, let's talk about flashcards. Flashcards are a time-tested method for language learning. They're simple, versatile, and allow for active recall, which is a powerful way to enhance memory. A flashcard typically has a question or a prompt on one side and the answer on the other. In our case, we'll have a word on one side, and its antonym on the other. Creating antonym flashcards is simple. Here's how you do it. 1. Choose the words. Start by choosing the words you want to learn. It's a good idea to start with words that are relevant to your interests, studies, or work. 2. Find the antonyms. Use a reliable dictionary to find the antonyms of these words. 3. Make the flashcards. Write the chosen word on one side of a card, and its antonym on the other. Repeat this process until you have a sizable deck of flashcards. Once you have your deck of antonym flashcards, it's time to start learning. Here's a recommended approach. 1. First pass. Go through the deck, looking at the word side and trying to recall the antonym. 2. Active recall. Shuffle the cards and go through them again, this time trying to recall the antonym without looking. 3. Spaced repetition. Repeat this process at increasing intervals. This helps to move the information from short-term to long-term memory. Remember, the goal here is not just to remember the antonyms, but also to understand them and be able to use them in context. And there you have it, folks. With this flashcard approach, you now have a simple and effective method to learn antonyms and boost your English vocabulary. We hope you find this method helpful. Remember, the key to language learning is consistency and practice. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.